Hey everyone, welcome to Clickfix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install uTorrent on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open up any web browser. In the search bar, type in uTorrent. In search, from the search results, click on this official uTorrent website. Once you're on the home page, look for the free download option for uTorrent Classic and click on it. Now on this page, you'll see different versions available. To download the free version, simply click on the download button under the basic version section. As soon as you click it, the download will start automatically. Once the file is downloaded, go to your downloads folder and open the setup file. Now the installation process will begin. Click on next to continue. During the installation, you might see some offers or additional software prompts. Make sure to decline these offers so you don't install anything unnecessary on your computer. Now in the setup options, you can choose things like creating a desktop shortcut or start menu entry. You can customize these according to your preference. Once done, click Next. Continue clicking Next and wait for the installation process to complete. This will only take a few seconds. Once everything is done, uTorrent will open automatically and now you can start using it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed uTorrent. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Clickfix Tech for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.